Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mini Cooper fuel cap. First, make sure your Mini Cooper is unlocked. The fuel flap is located on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. Gently press the rear edge of the fuel flap. You should hear a small click as the latch releases. This simple action will allow the flap to spring open, giving you access to the fuel cap itself. It's a quick and easy process once you know the trick. Once the fuel flap is open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. It should unscrew easily. Many Mini Cooper models have a convenient holder on the inside of the fuel flap where you can place the cap while you refuel. After fueling, screw the cap back on clockwise until you hear a click, indicating it's properly sealed. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping. Sometimes the fuel flap might seem stuck. The most common reason is that the car isn't fully unlocked. Double-check your central locking system. In colder climates, ice can sometimes freeze the latch. A gentle tap or waiting for the car to warm up can help. Never force the flap or cap, as this can damage the mechanism, leading to costly repairs. Always be gentle with your Mini Cooper's components. After removing the cap, you're ready to refuel. Always ensure you're using the correct fuel type for your Mini Cooper, which is typically premium unleaded gasoline. Insert the fuel nozzle completely into the tank and begin pumping. Once finished, replace the cap, ensuring it clicks, and close the fuel flap firmly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.